I am delighted with two E's to be photographing this house today for you all. This is a house that Ken just got. It sits on 2 full acres. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2 acres. Did I say 2 acres? I think I said 2 acres already. 3,000 square feet, and it's just fantastic. Nice lot, small in the front, huge in the back. It's got a workshop, it's got a garage, and it's got a 6-bay commercial building on it, which is fantastic. These people are on the lake. This is a empty lot. It goes right down to the lake. These people are on the lake. It's like right across from the lake. And Lake Harrington is a great place. I'll put some details here about it. It's a really nice place. Anyway, I'm going to show you inside. Let's go on in. We got magnolia tree here. We've got a dogwood here. This is some kind of fruit tree, whether it's apple or pear or something like that. We're up in the bird now, and you can see the proximity to the lake. Pretty nice, huh? You can hear the jet skis and the boats sometimes in the summer. That's nice because, you know, people are out having fun. When you're in real estate, you've got to figure out what kind of person is going to buy a property, or what kind of family is this perfect for. Is it a right size, or is it a growing family? This house is kind of hard to pinpoint because it's got a lot of great options. It's got an area for home office. You need a bunch of space, you've got it here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. You'll get a notification on your phone every time I upload a new video. I'll show you the dining room. It's fantastic. It's got some kind of a Brazilian cherry or something on the floor. Just pretty. Hardwood floors everywhere. The rest of the house is oak, as far as I know. But it's a lot of hardwood. There's the backyard. And it goes back almost to that building back there. Not quite that far, but there's stakes out there. I'll show them to you. And there's the building. This is a 26 by 30, I believe, workshop. And under penalty of death, the lady said I'm not going to go in because it looks like my garage. But anyway, you see the big building up there. That's pretty sexy. You know, somebody who has a hobby or whatever, you need to store some boats or whatever, there you go. Big vaulted ceiling, at least, I'm going to guess at least 16-foot ceiling. Might be 18, I don't know. Ken will tell you. His number's right here. I'm pointing with my other finger because my Norelli finger, I cut myself. Crazy. That's why it goes, right? I would say to my wife, you only cut your finger if you put it underneath the knife. And here, I cut mine. That's when your dogma gets run over by your karma, right? There's the living room. This really is a great room. 3-season room over there, kitchen, dining room, bedroom. Come on, we'll go in the bedroom. I got a couple of things that I really like about the house I think are my favorite, and you're going to get to see them. This is a big MBR. Plenty of space in here, plenty of space. And you got his and her closets. That's a big closet. Here's another big closet over here. Hey, there's the guy in the mirror. Turn the light on, that would help. I don't know where the light is. Maybe the bulb's out. Oh, no, it's got one of them weird bulbs. Okay, got it. Anyway, there's another closet. Gotta love that. Tell Ken to buy you a new light bulb. So it's got these tub showers with the little scallopy shell things, which is very nice. And no, the toilet seat's not up. It's just a seat like that. That way you never have to argue who's got the seat up and who's got the seat down. Love that. Little linen right there. I'll show you the rest of the house. You're gonna love it. So where are you? Well, you're not very far from town. I'll put it here if I know. You are probably, I don't know, 5 miles to Danville, to the college town, out here on the lake. That's why people like it out here on this lake, because it's 10, 15 minutes from work on Friday to the lake. There you are. All new stainless appliances. Yeah, the cabinets are a little older, but not a big deal. They're made well, and they're taken care of well because it's an older person who owns this house. So everything is like new. So what do you love about the kitchen? I love the size. Hardwood floors, all stainless appliances. Well, if you're not in love with the Formica, great. Give Ken a call and say, hey, great. I love the house. I love all the bones. I got a quote for new countertop, whatever that is. Great. He'll make an offer pursuant to that. How's that for a good legal term? I feel so important now. I got to use a legal term. And that's probably not even the right term. Anyway, here's the 3-season room. I'll tell you what, my butt be out here all the time. I love this. You can open this up, my gosh, all the time. I mean, the overflow seating or whatever. All right, let's see my favorite thing about the whole house. Well, besides the barn, and besides the 2 acres, and besides that it's right next to the lake, it's this room. The seller calls it a den. I call it the fun room. So, just to show you where you're at, there's the garage and the workshop. And you can come in this side door if you want, and boom, you're in the den. You gotta have a boom in there, right? So there you have it. We got the whole house. I'm gonna take you outside, of course, show you the back. 3,000 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths. Oh, and you saw the bar. You didn't see the bar. That was the most important part. I got a manly thirst. You got a little bar sink there. Plenty of room for a fridge and a kitty litter box. And you could put in an ice machine in here, whatever. Plenty of countertop, both sides. Plenty of storage. Yeah, look at that. So this is for family, hanging out and jibber jabbering and just being with your friends. And hey, you're on the lake, so guess what? You'll automatically have a ton of friends coming all the time. Lots of closets. So you got the HVAC deal here, and kind of like a, what do they call that? Like a utility closet. And then a coat closet here. I'd make that sucker a pantry. You got lots of options. And then the laundry, right? Water heater. You got gas here. I'll find out if there's city gas here and I'll put it here. If it's propane, doesn't matter. But city gas, of course, is a little cheaper. But I'll put it here. We only heat our water with gas because it's a more efficient burn. What do you love about the house? Please tell me in the comments. And I would love you, now you know I love you because we're like friends, right? But I would love you even more if you'd subscribe. You can subscribe right down at the bottom. And then comment and like this video and tell me what you want to see in a property. The link is right here from Home Finder. You tell us what your perfect property looks like and we will send it to you as it comes on the market. Before the general public, you'll get access to the new properties list. So if you're looking at a farm, we'll send you new farms. If you're looking at a house, we'll send you new houses. Thanks so much for watching today. Really appreciate you. I'm out of here, but hold on for the bloopers because there's always bloopers with me. You know how it goes. And also the aerials. You want to see what's going on around the property. And you want to see the lake, of course. Vroom, vroom. Bring your fishing rod. I wanted to show you inside this building. This is like super cool because I believe, me personally, Brad, I believe this to be a repurposed industrial building that they took down. Check this out. It's like something from the 30s. It looks like a railroad building or something like that. It's just super cool. I say that for a couple reasons. First of all, these are real I-beams. This is not that laminated layered stuff like the new metal buildings are. These are true I-beams. And then they've got this piece welded or cut off down here. You see it there, the I-beam thing. Anyway, it just looks like they repurposed the frame. And obviously the tin is new, because if the tin was from the 30s, then it wouldn't look like this. But anyway, that's just my little theory. But what would you do with this building? You've got 6 bays. It's 31 or 2 by like 80 or something like that. So 2,400 square feet you could still use for 3 cars or 2 cars. And then you could have a barbecue shack back here or a workshop. Heck, you could have metal working in one bay, woodworking in the next bay, lop 2 bays off and put like a fun kind of playhouse out there. You can play the music as loud as you want, have the family over, cook out here on the grill. You got all this concrete out here. You got a lot of options with this building. I love this building. I love this building here. So just wanted to show it to you. Enjoy. You tell us what you, the link is right here, the link is, and the cat's there. Or heck, we might just send you everything. Wait for the bloopers, because there's always bloopers, because you know, it's hard to do all this stuff without doing it in one take, without bloopers. So I'll show you the back here, and oh my God, Ken just showed up. What is he trying to check up on me or something like that? What the hell's going on? Hey, I think you left your car on. What's this deal? What, you don't trust me or what? You're like checking up on me?
For your birthday lunch.
Oh, you bought me birthday lunch. I'm making fun of him and he's doing this to
Brad. Happy birthday, Mr. Brad. Mr. Brad.
I can't wait to see your comments below. Like and subscribe because we've got a number of properties coming on the market that you're going to want to see. Don't forget to go to our website, bluegrassteam.com/blog for the latest properties we have.